everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 5 presentation assembly. It's half term, it's Friday the 12th of February and we're here to celebrate all these amazing Year 5s who've been posting lots and lots on Shobi and Class Dojo. They are phenomenal. Certificates will be coming in the post, so do look out for them over this weekend and enjoy them over half term. Let's go over to these amazing Year 5s. Year 5, we're starting with Miss Arthurton's Maths Superstars. Look at these superstars. We've got Adriel, Oliver, Martin, Freya, Amelia, Summer, Erica, Aston, Lily and Amelia. Look, we love math. We certainly do love math. Look at you guys. And I know how much you love maths because I've seen all the work that you've been posting. You guys have been doing on show. It's a phenomenal. Miss Arthurton, I know, is very impressed, guys. So please do keep it up. Doing maths every single day, not missing a spot. Doing timetables, rock stars as well. Just absolutely well done. These certificates are winging their way in the post, guys, to you. So look out for them in the post. Really well done. Huge congratulations and keep up that amazing maths as well. Thank you, guys. And Miss Musselwhite, look at these maths stars. Look at this page of stars as well. We got Jessica, Cornelius, Zane, Bart, Lamin, Kenzie, Goda, Oscar, Josh, and Isabel. Well done, you math stars. I know Miss Musselwhite is so impressed with your maths every single day, not missing a day of maths. It's really great to see the work that you're keeping up in Year 5 and keeping that going, keeping yourselves ticking out. It's fantastic. Well done, guys. And lots on timetable rock stars as well. I know I've seen the scores as well, which is phenomenal as well. So well done, guys, and look out for your certificates coming in the post, hopefully this weekend, so you can enjoy those over this half term. So really well done, guys. Proud of you all. Next, we've got Miss Arthurton's English Superstars. Look at these guys. Look, we've got Joe, Brooklyn, Evie, Freya, Connor, Milana, Junior and Alicia. You guys have been working so hard at English. I know Miss Arthurton is proud of every single one of you, as I am, working so hard during lockdown, so hard at home. Keep it up, guys. I am really impressed. Whether that's your reading, whether that's writing, whatever it is that you're doing, keep it up, guys. It's really impressive. And look out for your certificates winging their way in the post. You English Superstars, well done. Proud of you all. Miss Musselwhite's English stars. Look at these guys. Well, again, we've got Colby, Courtney, Oliver, Joshua, Dragos, Kendrick, Goda, Janisa, Diego and Bianca are our English stars for Miss Musselwhite. Look at you guys. Big smiles on your face. Thank you. It's really making me smile actually seeing you guys, seeing these big smiles, but really well done. I know Miss Musselwhite is smiling every day because of the amount of work you guys are doing every single day, whether that's reading, whether that's your writing. Keep it up, guys. Really proud of you, as is Miss Musselwhite, and look out for your certificates in the post, you superstars. Oh, look out now. These reading superstars, not only will you guys be getting a certificate in the post, but there'll be a reading book as well, winging its way in the post with that certificate. So Martin, Damien, Lily and Kieran, you have earned yourselves a certificate and a reading book. So it'll be lovely to see some pictures of you reading your new books. You absolute reading superstars. I know that Miss Arthurton is so impressed with the reading that you are doing every single day and writing in your reading records as well, keeping up with those. Well done, guys. So proud of you, Year 5s. Keep it up, guys, and look out for your book and certificate in the post. And that goes the same for Miss Musselwhite's reading stars as well. We've got Amelia, Harley, Deanna and Bianca. You are Miss Musselwhite's reading superstars and you'll be getting yourself certificates and a nice new reading book as well coming in the post. It'd be lovely to see again pictures of you reading your new books and let us know how you get on and how you enjoy that. I hope you like them and look out for them in the post. Well done, guys. Superb effort. Miss Arthurton, look at these scientists. Oh my word, these science superstars. We've got Lily May, we've got Amber, Ruben, Connor, Kieran and Ashton. Absolutely rocking science. You guys are. I know all the science that you are doing and the work that you are doing as well at home is phenomenal. Really well done. Very impressive. I know Miss Arthurton is, as I am, so keep it up, guys. I am proud of every single one of you. Well done. We've got Miss Musselwhite, Science Stars again. Look at you guys again. We've got Dragos, Jessica, Nadia, Gracie, Rachel, Oliver, Joshua, Isabel, Leo and Bart. Look, guys, amazing science going on at home as well. Keep that up, please, because it will stand you in good stead going into Year 6 next year as well. So really well done. It's fantastic to see you guys working so hard in all those subjects. And you'll see some of those faces have been up already and received certificates as well. So getting multiple certificates this presentation assembly. So really well done. Look out for these certificates. They're coming in their post. Well done, you science superstars. Absolutely well done to everyone in Year 5. You are all amazing. Every single one of you. The amount of work that you are doing is phenomenal. And I know Miss Musselwhite, Miss Arthurton are so impressed with that. So please do keep that up. Have a fantastic restful half term coming up as well. So have a little break. We all need a bit of a holiday break, and then pick that up straight away into the next half term. And until then, guys, stay safe and see you all soon. Bye bye now.